Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Facebook ad series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about UTM tracking in our Facebook ads. We'll be basically talking about what is UTM tracking, what are the benefits of using UTM tracking, and in the later part of the video, we'll show you what is the use of UTM tracking or how we can use UTM tracking in our Facebook ads. Okay, so without any further delay, let's see how we can do it. So first of all, let's get to know what is UTM tracking. So for learning more about UTM tracking, we have come to a blog site. Okay, so you can see over here. How do you know if Facebook is a worthy investment or if you are getting enough traffic from your recent promotional campaign? The answer is UTM tracking links. UTM codes help you track where traffic is coming from, allowing you to properly measure each campaign's platforms or medium's ROI. A UTM Urchin Tracking Module code is a snippet of text added to the end of a URL to track the metrics and performance of a specific digital marketing campaign. UTM codes can contain up to 5 parameters. One is campaign, then source, medium, content, and term. UTM codes are also known as UTM parameters or tracking tags because they help you track website traffic from its origin. Marketers customize these tags to match this web page the tagged URL is linked on in order to attribute the success of that campaign to specific pieces of content. Okay. So you can see over here, they have given us some examples of UTM codes. So you can see over here, this is the main URL, okay, of our website. Then you can see UTM underscore campaign called blog underscore post and UTM underscore medium equal social and UTM underscore source equal Facebook. So this is the example of an UTM code, okay. So what are the benefits of using UTM codes, okay, or UTM tracking? So you can see over here, as we have already covered, UTM codes are small snippets of code that you can add to the end of a URL to track website traffic is coming from. Okay, they may seem small, but they bring big benefits to marketers. Here are just a few. So number one is better tracking. UTM codes allow you to track exactly where your website traffic is coming from. So you can see which marketing tactics are actually driving results. With UTM codes, you can see which sources, mediums, and campaigns are bringing the most traffic, leads, and sales. And the next one is more accurate attribution. UTM codes also allow you to give credit where credit is due. For example, if a visitor first finds your website through a Google search, then comes back later through a Facebook ad, you can see the entire customer journey and attribute the sale or conversion to both channels. In a summary, UTM codes are a simple but powerful way to get more insight into your website traffic and marketing campaigns. Okay, they allow you to track sources and mediums more accurately and give you a clear picture of which channels are driving the most value for your business. By using UTM codes consistently, you will be able to make smarter marketing decisions and optimize your campaigns for better results. Okay. How do UTM links help marketers? So they have discussed about the benefits of UTM links for the marketers. So you can see over here, within that in mind, UTM tracking codes can help you determine where the traffic is coming from. So this is basically the source, you know. For example, social websites, search engine, paid post, and sponsored listings, other websites. And the next one is which general channel the traffic came from. This is called medium. So medium could be organic search, social, CPC, and email are a few mediums you can use. Then what type of content people clicked on. So this is basically content. and could be an image, a sidebar link, or a menu link. You can see over here which terms they use to access the page. So this is basically term. Okay. Then they have given us again some examples of UTM parameters. So I have already discussed about it. So you can see over here, this is the campaign example UTM underscore campaign equal 20 underscore off, then source UTM underscore source equal Facebook, medium UTM underscore medium equal social underscore media piece of content. So this is the example of piece of content, and the last one is term. So UTM underscore term equal marketing plus software. Okay, so they have also discussed about how to build UTM codes in Google Analytics. So they have discussed about campaign URL builder. Okay, then we'll see it practically. Okay, so this is very useful doc. I'm going to share this doc file in the video description so that you can learn more about what are the UTM trackings and what are the benefits of UTM trackings, Perfect. So let's see how we can use UTM tracking in our Facebook ads practically. Okay, so if I come to the ads section, then you will see an option called website URL. So for example, I'm going to advertise for this specific landing page or website URL. So I'll provide the website URL as this one, and underneath the website URL, you have an option called build a URL parameter. So I'm going to click on it. Then you can see over here, this will be used as our website URL, and we have campaign source, campaign medium, campaign name, campaign content, and if you want, you can add parameters. Okay, so if I click on campaign source, then you can see you can give the campaign source as dynamically. Okay, so for example, I want to give the campaign source as dynamically, and I'm going to use this one, site source name. Okay, so this will be used as our campaign source. And in the campaign medium, for example, I'm going to give the ad set name as campaign medium. Okay, perfect. Then I'll go to the campaign name section. So you can input campaign name dynamically. So I'm going to choose campaign name dynamically. And if you want, you can give the campaign content as well. So as the campaign content, I'm going to choose placement. Okay. Then you can see the URL preview over here. So this is our website URL. Then you can see UTM underscore source equal site source name, UTM medium equal ad set name, UTM campaign equal campaign name, and UTM content equal placement. So this is the dynamic portion. So if I want, I can input those fields manually. Okay, so I'll show you how you can do it manually. So for example, in the campaign source section, I'm gonna give the campaign source as Facebook ads, for example. Okay, perfect. And in the campaign medium section, I'm gonna write social or paid social. Okay, perfect. And in the campaign name section, I'll name the campaign as Maestro Steel Detailing. Then I'll mention traffic campaign, for example. And as the campaign content, I'm going to write single image ads. Okay. So if I click on apply, then you can see UTM code has been applied. Okay. So if you want to preview the URL, then you can click on it. So I'm going to click on preview URL. Then you can see how our landing page is looking like right now. So this is our master steel detailing, then services steel detailing. Then you can see this is the UTM tracking code I am using. Okay, so if I use this tracking code, then I'll get to know which platform or which campaign or which source or which medium is getting the leads or which medium is performing well in our analytics. Okay, so for example, if you are using Google Analytics for this website, then you will be able to get the data or see the data in your analytics, like in which Facebook medium or which Facebook campaign or which platform whose source are performing well, so this is the beauty of data driven marketing. So I'd suggest you to use UTM tracking or UTM parameters in every Facebook ads campaign. Okay, so this is one of the ways of using UTM tracking code in our Facebook ads. So I will show you another option which is called campaign URL builder. Okay, so if you write campaign URL builder on Google, then you will be able to come to this section. Okay, then you can see over here we need to input our website URL. So for example, I'm gonna enter the website URL as this one, and if you want you can give the campaign ID. Okay, I'll not give any campaign ID, and as the campaign source I'll give as Facebook. Okay, as the campaign medium I'm gonna give it as social or paid social. Okay, paid social. Then as the campaign name I'm gonna give the campaign name as traffic still detailing. Then if you want you can give the campaign term and campaign content as well. So you can see over here they have given us an URL. Okay, so you can copy this URL, or if you want to shorten the link then you can click on this option, then you will be able to shorten the link. So I'll be using this link, so I'm going to copy it from here and I'll go to the website URL section and put the link over here. Okay, so this is how we can use campaign URL builder or UTM tracking in our Facebook ads. So you can either use this option, build a URL parameter, or you can use this option. Okay, so yeah, so hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can use UTM tracking code in our Facebook ads. Yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.